Hey guys, it's Ella. Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm getting into something fun, and that is the Trendmood Volume 5 box. This is the 6th installment of Trendmood, but it's the Volume 5 since we did have a takeover box. If you want to see what's in the Trendmood box, hear all about what my thoughts are on it, just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to get into this Trendmood box. I actually did shoot this video and it looked absolutely atrocious, so I'm reshooting it again. Trendmood is a Instagrammer who does all of our spoilers for us. We know everything that's coming out, and she came out with a box that she puts a bunch of skincare and makeup items in, and she sells it at a ridiculously cheap price, and it is amazing. I believe this box was like high 50s, low 60s. I want to say it was 62, and there were a bunch of skincare products in it, so let's get into it. I have gotten every installment of the Trendmood box. I do love Sophie, and I do love this box. This is like the non-subscription box, subscription box. What I mean by that is that you get to know everything in this box before you purchase it. There has been a little bit of drama over getting them because she doesn't have a ton of them, so everybody wants it, so there's a little bit of an issue with that. I do always post the early access code on my Instagram right before it comes out, so you guys want to check that out. And let's get into this one. So this was the Volume 5, like I said. In it, we did get 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. She tries to keep down the paperwork in these, but we did get, from Kinship, a 15% off code, and I'll put that up there for you guys real quick. You are welcome, and here's some pretty visuals on that. And we did get from Myriad one of their little thingies. Inside the box, she always has a scan me. And what that does is it gives you all the information on the product, so I'll put that up real quick for you guys. It is the standard purple box that she has been doing, so it is, you know, purple, and it's got her 3 dots on it. It is cute, and it's a nice size box too. If you guys want to like compare it to something, this is like an Allure box, so you can kind of see what the difference is. It's much, much bigger. Sorry guys, Teddy Bear is in the background. He is a very needy poodle face, so we let him be here because otherwise he'll just whine and you guys will hear that instead. Anyway, let's get into the product. So, starting off, we only got one makeup product, and I think I'm going to start with that, and that was this. It was from Catrice. This is their blush palette. I did just do an Instagram review of the Moon Prism palette by Lunar, which had 6 blushes, and you know what? It was very, very similar to tone as this one is, and I want to show you guys. This one is really, really simple. It's really cute. It's got simple pink packaging. But the blushes in here, I really, really like them. They have enough pigment to be blush, because we know we don't want like crazy amounts of pigment in them. But it's cute. It's cute for travel. It's cute for every day. You do have like a shimmery blush, kind of a bronzy, a peachy, and a pinky. So I really do like this. It's very good for summer, and we do our makeup days. So I really do like that. All right, next from Kinship, we got 2 products. We got this Mint Mud, which is a deep pore detox one, and this I'm sure is going to smell very, very muddy. I didn't actually open this one up yet, and it says this jar is made from ocean plastic waste, so you scan the QR code for more info. So I love the fact that they're reusing stuff that we don't want around anyway. And this basically unclogs pores, and it smells like mint, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so next we got from Kinship their Self-Respect. This is their SPF. And it comes in this little tube. Guys, we got to wear the SPF, and this is a good one. It's a sheer lightweight, and it blends effortlessly. My favorite sunscreen right now is the Supergoop SPF 40 because it has that like dimethicone type of texture to it, so it's great for under makeup. But I'm definitely going to give this a try. Always need the SPF. Okay, so next from Myriad, which is a great brand, we got their Environmental Shield Vita C Glycolic Brightening Serum. And isn't this bottle like super cool? It's got like the pump, and then it's got like the stuff in the back, which kind of tells me that, oh wait a minute, maybe there's an extra thing in here. Let's investigate. No, okay. So yeah, this is like the pumper right here, and then this is your actual product back here. So you don't get the full bottle's worth, but let's see if we can see how much product is in here. So there's 1 fluid ounce in here. And this is a Vita C Glycolic Brightening Serum. So basically it's a vitamin C serum. We got something very similar in the Ola Henderson box. It was a vitamin C brightening one. This is so great for your skin, vitamin C, and it's great in the summer, so it gives you that glow that we all want. So I'm really happy with this. I'll get tons of use out of it. Just keep in mind, guys, that vitamin C products do need to stay in their boxes and stay, out of the sunlight. And they do go bad on the fast side. let's see if this one does tell us. They should on every product tell us what the time it's good for. Okay, yeah, so 12 months, and there's a little jar on every box that'll tell you how long it's good for. All right, so next, moving on. We got from Skinfix 2 products. We got their Enzyme Hand Repair Cream, or Eczema, I'm sorry. Eczema Hand Repair Cream, and this is a clinically proven to treat eczema and dry and cracked skin on hands and improve skin moisture by 111%. It's a skin protectant. I get eczema on my legs, so I will definitely give this a try and see if it works out for me. And also we got from them their Eczema Foaming Oil Body Wash. I don't know how I feel about oil and my eczema because it tends to make it worse, plus I am an oily person, but I will give this a try too. They're both in the same kind of packaging, so I like that. And then the last 2 things we got were from Pharmacy. We got their Green Clean, which we've all seen plenty of times before in most of the subscription boxes. It is an Allure favorite. It comes in a little jar like this. You get the little scooper mabob, and basically it's a matcha type, and it's like a balm, and you kind of take some out and then you put on your face and it kind of suds up. I do like some of the other formats of these cleansing balms a little better. They're a little bit more liquid. I find that this is a little harder to get out of the actual canister, but it's a really good cleansing balm. I am kind of swimming in these right now, so this will go in a future giveaway, only because I don't want to waste it and because I've got like 3 already on backup. So we got that. And then here from Pharmacy, we got the Daily Greens. It's an oil-free gel moisturizer with papaya in it, and I really love this packaging, guys. Like, I'm really into this packaging. The big thing with this, I actually saw this might be a BoxyCharm spoiler as well, because obviously Pharmacy is a brand that goes in the subscription boxes, and BoxyCharm has featured them before. The only thing I have is, although it's really cute, and I love that it says Daily Greens and it's all themed to that, this is very, very like plant-based, and it smells like it is. It's got like this straight up fern pine cone kind of thing going on to it, and I can't get it open at the moment. Here we go. Yeah, it smells like a straight up forest. So if you don't love that smell, you may not love this product, but it is a very good product, and it's very good for your skin. It's also oil-free, which I love, so I will continue to give it a try. But my one complaint about it is that it does kind of smell like a forest, which is not something I generally want to smell like. I don't know about you guys. So let's recap. 2 Pharmacy products that are both pricey. 2 Skinfix products that are, you know, a hand cream or a leg cream and a body wash. Those are super useful. We got a vitamin C, we got some SPF, we got a mask, and we got a blush. This box is ready for summer no matter what, because this is all like the basic skincare stuff that we need, especially when we want to make up a beach bag. So I have no complaints. As usual, I am super happy with it. If you guys want to get a hold of Volume 6, the first spoiler is out. It is a Marc Jacobs product, and it is a mascara, so we're all excited about that. I will have some of these products, like I said, in an upcoming giveaway, because I can't get through everything, guys. I have one face. So I will put this stuff in the giveaway, the stuff that I mentioned, and I will do some empty reviews on the stuff that I actually want to use and get a lot of use out of, because that's the whole point of buying this stuff, right, guys? We don't have to buy extra stuff because we've got more stuff than we can ever need from our subscription boxes. So, if I did a good job, guys, like the video. Helps the algorithm tell YouTube to recommend me to other people. If I didn't, go ahead and dislike the video. Comment down below. Did you get this Trendmood Volume 5 box? What did you think? Was it too skincare heavy? Were you happy with it being skincare heavy? Let us know in the comments. Check me out on Instagram. It's Lifestyle by Ella, or Lifestyle by Ella on Facebook, and lifestyle.ella on Instagram. I'm there every day with complete reviews and some photographs and some stuff. We all have a lot of fun there. So I will check you guys out in the next video, and thanks for watching.